criteria. Various development had brought the Millennium Development Goals targeted for 2015 within the reach in some cases. For the goals to be realized, six criteria must be met: stronger and more inclusive growth in Africa and fragile states, more efforts in health and education, integration of the development and environmental agendas, more as well, better aids movement on the trade negotiation, and stronger and more focused support from the multilateral institutions like the World Bank, eradicate the extreme poverty and hunger. From 1990s through the 2004, the proportion of people living in extreme poverty fell from the almost a third to less than a 50, although resulted vary widely within the region and countries. The trend indicates that the world as a whole can meet the goal of the halving the percentage of the people living in the poverty. Africa poverty, however, in the expected to rise, and most of the 36 countries where 90% of the world under nourished children live are in Africa. Less than a quarter of countries are on track for the achieving the goal of halving undernutrition. Achieving universal primary education, the percentage of children in a school in the development countries increased from the 80% in 1991 to 88% in the 2005. Still, about 72 million children of the primary school age, 57% of them girls, were not being educated as 2005 promoted gender equality. The rate tight is turning slowly for women in the labor market, yet for more women than men worldwide, more than 60% are contributing but unpaid family workers. The World Bank Group's Gender Action Plan was created to advance women's economic empowerment and promote shared growth, reduce child mortality. There is some improvement in the survival rates globally. Accelerated improvement are needed most urgently in South Asia and Saharan Africa. An estimated 10 million plus children under 5 died in 2005. Most of their deaths were from preventable causes. Improved maternal health. Almost all of the half million women who died during the pregnancy of childbirth every year live in sub-Saharan Africa and Asia. There are numerous causes of the maternal death that require a variety of the health or intervention to be made widely accessible. Combat HIV and HIDs, malaria and other diseases. Annual member of the new HIV infection and AIDS death have fallen, but the number of the people living with the HIV continues to grow. In the 8th worst hit Southern African countries, prevalence is above 15%. Treatment has increased globally but still meet only 30% of needs, with wide variation across countries. AIDS remains the leading cause of the death in sub-Saharan Africa, 1.6 million deaths in 2007. There are 300 to 500 million cases of malaria each year, leading to the more than 1 million deaths. Nearly all the cases and more than 95% of the deaths occur in sub-Saharan Africa. Ensure environmental sustainability. The deforestation remains a critical problem, particularly in the region of the biological diversities, which continues to decline. Greenhouse gas emissions are increasing faster than energy technology advancement. Develop a global partnership for the development. Donor countries have renewed their commitment. Donors have to fulfill their pledge to the match the current rate of the core program. Development emphasis is being placed on the bank groups and collaboration with the multilateral and local partners to quicken progress toward the MDGs realization. To make sure that World Bank financed operations do not compromise these goals but instead add to their realization. Environmental, social and legal safeguards were defined. However, these safeguards have not been implemented entirely yet. At the World Bank annual meeting in the Tokyo 2012, a review of these safeguards has been initiated, which was welcomed by the survival civil society organization.